extensive updates on the update my man later on these. But you can see we're still in the middle on very quick shoot through support and resistance, where you got your upper resistance at 0.0129 and you got your lower support that you bounced on multiple times down here at the 0.08, and then you got another support right below that, right on that blue fib circle. So you're playing between support and resistance. In Revain coin right now, you can only play the current pattern. So when you get up here, it's by selling off. If you break the north one and the 200 day up there at 0.01250, then you get bullish and can trade up to the next ring. But if you get rejected off of that, you're going to trade back down to the 0.00881. And if you can't hold that, you got problems. So that's what you're going to watch out for there. ZK2 is the same thing. There hasn't been much going on in these coins, but you can see you're running up to this blue fib circle that's been acting as overhead resistance. So you got your, if you want to get bullish, you got to break above this blue ring right here. Oh fuck. Delete that. You got to break above this blue ring right here. And these moving averages, the 200 day, the 100 day, and the 50, they're all right on each other, squeezed. And whenever they're squeezed and tightly constricted like that, that means there's a big move coming. So if you want this to be bullish, you got to break above this ring right here, right? If you break above that ring, you can start coming back to some of your upper resistance up there after you broke out of that falling channel, right? So you got to get above that $45.81 ring if you want to get bullish. If you're going to continue to be bearish, you're going to get chopped down by the 100, 250 day moving average right there and trade down to 26 cents. So that's what I would watch out for, right? 25 cents, 26 or 25, $26 is your underneath support, and $45 is major overhead resistance, and the midterm resistance is about 41, 42, right? On a quick look, Dapp, same thing. You bounced off that underneath support we were talking about. And now we have this circled moving averages up here that you could try to bounce up into now after you held support down at 0.002. You're going to try to come bounce and buy your way back up and get into the moving averages. But if you want to get bullish on this coin, you got to break above, like really bullish. You got to get above that 200-day moving average in the 4-hour time frame. That's what we've been doing all these coins in. You got to break above that in the 4-hour time frame. Or you're still bearish, but you can play from support to resistance. But support was the 0.002, and the resistance is the 200-day moving average, or that 0.0, that blue line up there, right? That light blue line. So that's what I would watch out for. If you get chopped down and you can't get through these moving averages, you could do something like this, hit the blue or the 50, and then come back down and double bottom, right? That could be one of the ways that this plays out. But we'll keep an update and an eye out on this as the day goes on and the week progresses. We'll keep you out ahead, my good man and subscriber, on all these coins that you requested. And then we'll try to get one more coin in before I pull in the work. Dapp we just did. Divi. Oh, look at that. It's at a beautiful spot. Remember when it was up there? We had that head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. It came down. Now we got bought back up on that support. And now we're back within this rising wedge that we were in. So in a quick TA while I'm on the move here about to walk into work, you got your major underneath support now because it broke back through it. And this is a critical area right here. You want to hold this coin rate. You want to hold this 0.10 10-cent level. And if you can hold that, you can pump your way back up to upper resistance in this ascending or rising channel that you broke back into with the white lines up above, the underneath support right there that I just marked off, and your overhead resistance would be way up there. If you can confirm you're back into this channel and hold this major support and break up, you could have a nice move up to the upside, trading back within this channel if you can confirm your way up, right? You got to get up over the moving averages and confirm in. But if you slip this, you're coming back down to the 200-day moving average, right? So if you can't hold this, you're coming back down there real quick. So that's what I would watch out for. And Divi, and then Nord, we're going to get all of them in here. You can see we got rejected by this overhead blue ring. That's why we had this price up there as it was running into it. We said watch out for that. And now you're trading back down towards the moving averages and the 200-day and the major volume indicator underneath the green support box. But your major underneath support Your short term would be $4.27, the 200-day moving average, that green line, right? And if you can't hold that, your next support would be the circle, the fib circle below it. We'll mark that too real quick before I let you go, which is down here. We'll put it out into the future at $2.79. That's major underneath support, right? So you're playing it within between these two right now. If you're trying to get bullish in Nord with our industry exclusive drawing tool, you got to get over that fib circle and get some volume and confirm the breakout, right? And get a close above that fib circle with some nice volume. If not, you're going to come back down, at least in the short term, to the 200-day moving average at $4.27. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.